Earlier this year, Idiomatic did a pilot with Facebook where they baked us off against their internal solution in terms of classifying this unstructured feedback. And what they found was that Idiomatic's solution was more accurate and faster and more efficient, and so they have since adopted us. So I wanted to talk a little bit about why it is that Idiomatic, being a much smaller company, is able to do that. And the reason is that we focused on two parts of the machine learning stack that are really, really important for the problem we solve, which is classifying free-form text. The first area that we've innovated a lot around is text preprocessing, which is a fancy way of saying finding out the parts of any messy text transcript, the parts that are really relevant. So let's take, for example, like an email thread back and forth, right? It turns out that the place where the customer talks about the pain point at the most clearly is at the very beginning of the thread. And this is going to be different with live chat transcripts where it's somewhere around the beginning, but after the pleasantries, or phone transcript or phone voice notes where sometimes it's summarized at the end. So we've basically built a lot of technology to really clean up these messy chat transcript or conversations and then figure out what is most relevant. The second thing that we do that's unique is that we build custom tailored machine learning models for the issues that each business faces, right? A lot of the text analytics software platforms out there basically use the same models whether or not you're a fashion retailer or a tire manufacturer. And it just doesn't make sense because the customers will be writing these companies about wildly different things. So what we do is we have built a lot of tooling that allows us to build these custom machine learning models very efficiently to the extent that from getting the data to getting these models up and running takes less than a week. And it was the combination of these two things that allowed us to outperform the internal solution at a engineering-heavy company like Facebook and caused them to adopt us.